Hi there. In this video, we're going to show how to use a prompt that allows me to interact with Gemini to come up with a custom travel plan. So our prompt is create a travel plan for 4 people to go to Costa Rica for 7 days, similar to what I used in the last video. But I'm adding, ask me any questions to further clarify what I would like to do or have included in the plan. So here's what Gemini came back with and said, please tell me your preferences by answering the following questions. What is your approximate budget for this? What are your interests? What kind of experiences are you hoping for? And gives me some examples. What time of year are you planning to travel? What is your preferred style of accommodation? Do you have any specific regions or destinations in Costa Rica already on your radar? So my response is, I don't really have a set budget. Our interests are nature and wildlife, adventure activities, beaches, culture, and local experiences. Our activity level is moderate. We'd like to go in June or July. I don't have any specific destinations in Costa Rica that are on my radar. That helps Gemini customize travel plan to the things that you desire to do. You can see it included adding some cultural notes, things to do in the evening, different times of day, wildlife spotting tips. Developed a pretty cool plan. Now, again, just like in the previous video, you could come down to the very end and you could type in some more modifications because it's asking, are there any specific aspects you'd like to explore in more detail or any changes you'd like to make? So you can always iterate through these and continue this dialogue with Gemini to improve the travel plan that it creates. As always, have fun exploring.